Good morning and good evening, everyone. So right now we're waiting for our Docker to finish. So just here, we just want to discuss about deploying Docker containers, deploying Docker images, or maybe apps, or maybe images to AWS. So AWS, right? So step one is in step one you will need to have a IAM user. IAM user, and then that IAM user should belong to a user group, and then that user group should have policies. Oops. Policies. So for ECR, the policies can be, or like something like Amazon Elastic Container Registry, public read only. So let's try to write that here. Amazon Elastic Container Registry, Amazon Elastic Container Registry, public read only. Something like that. And then the other one is Amazon Elastic Container Registry, public full access. And then the other one is Amazon Elastic Container Registry, public power user. Right. So remember, you need to have a user. This one here, you need to have a user that belongs to a user group, and then that user group should have policies applied to it. Like these are papers, policies applied to it. So we can put a t-shirt here for a user. That t-shirts here, they belong to the same group, so they should have the same t-shirts. This one here is let's put like a blondie here, or is it a blondie one? So yeah, so user group, and then policies. User group, policies. Then number two, this is number one. Number two, you need to create a repo. You need to have a repo in ECR. So okay, so that's it. You need to create a repo in ECR. You can Google how to create a repo in ECR. Then you're going to build your Docker. your Docker app. So if you have your Docker app here, what does a Docker app looks like? So you have your app, like maybe a fish. So if this is your Docker app, this is locally. Oops. Locally, you need to build it. Build. Put the hammer here. Build it into a Docker image, and then push it to the cloud. This is the cloud here. This is where your ECR is. Your ECR repo. So this fish here is already in a can. So it's a sardines can. Put it here in the repository of Docker containers, Docker images. And then next is you will create a number 3. Need to create a ECS cluster. Okay, so create an ECS cluster. Yeah, you just need to create an ECS cluster, and then what here? I put in steps here. Create a cluster in ECS, and then create a task definition. Add a container definition. Go to cluster. Select the FINA ECS. So this is the example app that I created. So go to task. Go to run task. Or once task is running, go to EC2 again. EC2 or ECS. You go to select the running app. Okay, so when you create this ECS, how do we select which container? Yeah, I think this is where somewhere it's going to, you're going to select the image that you created here. You're gonna go here, then run the Docker image or the container image in this here. Then it's going to launch like a URL, or I don't know. And yeah, that is how the ECS works. But for now, I think we just need the ECR and the current task that I'm trying to build. We just need this. Oops. Because what I'm trying to do is, it's just, I have a Azure pipeline. Oops. I have a Azure pipeline. Oops. That needs to call. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do. I think I just need to call this and then import all the files of a repo into this image that I'll pull, and then run it here in Azure pipeline, and then it's gonna emit some result, and then it's gonna update some pipeline variable. So that's the plan, and hopefully we'll be able to implement it, right? So before we go, let's draw a pig. Pig, yeah, pig. A blue pig. A blue devil pig, right? All right.